Electronic traceability will give us huge advantages commercially and in terms of safeguarding our industries. So what farmers can do with accurate data management is tremendous nowadays. The opportunities are legion to maximise their profits, and from a state government perspective, the ability to manage disease outbreaks, to manage food safety incidents is absolutely essential.
For me, it's a very easy decision, and I'm getting a lot of reward for making the decisions many years ago. I think it's a forward step, and I would support anyone thinking to go that way. I've been waiting all my life for this opportunity to improve what we're doing in the breeding program, and I think others should join the team.
As part of the rollout of electronic identification of sheep and goats in Victoria, we conducted a competitive tender for the supply of electronic NLAS sheep tags to Victoria for 3 years. That's placed downward pressure on prices. 4 tag companies now have contracts to supply to Victoria: Allflex, Shearwell, Datamars and Leader. That also means an increase in production of tags from around 600,000 to 12 million tags every year. And Victorian producers have access to the cheapest electronic tags in Australia.
The new electronic goat and sheep EID legislation has enabled Shearwell to go from printing thousands of tags to millions of tags. That's allowed Shearwell to invest in innovation of new whole range of technologies and equipment and establish Shearwell in the industry in Victoria and Australia, and invest in new staff, new plant, new equipment.
It's about getting the flows, getting the scanners in the right place so that we can get the information, which is the RFID number, into our sale-yard software systems, and away we go. Done, finished.
We are in the digital age, and EIDs are going to produce digital data, and it's just going to give them a great opportunity to improve their own practices on their farm, in their business, and give them great opportunities, which is more important, to seek other markets overseas. And at the end of the day, it's going to put money back in their pocket and really help increase their bottom line.
The traceability side back for our consumers worldwide who are looking to know where products are actually coming from, and now we have the ability going forward to be able to show them and demonstrate how we can track that.
The lambs will come in with electronic tags. We will read those tags, and then we will marry up those tags with all the individual carcasses along our process floor, so we can identify and trace where those carcasses have come from. So we can trace them back to the farmer, and there will be an electronic record of that carcass throughout our process. So we feel from a processing perspective that it's really important that Victoria has taken the first step to become the first state to have electronic tagging. Our perspective is that it really means that it has increased our biosecurity. It means that we have a much more robust process that we can follow should there be any requirements down the track. So we're really pleased that the Victorian Government has really given our industry the support that it needs to ensure that moving forward we can be competitive in the world market.